Hey guys, it's Jordan from Simple Software. I'm just going to run through a basic 50% off discount for all products in your store. So the first step, what we need to do is install this app, Product Price Scheduler for Shopify. The link for this is in the description as well. This will be probably one of many how-to videos for this app. So once we're here, just choose a plan. Pricing structure is flexible, you can pick whatever you want, which I think is quite unique. Hit approve. And here we are, the app is installed. We're taken to the first page of the admin. So first of all, just hit create job. Just for reference, this version that we're looking at is 3.0.2. New updates are rolled out every week, so this will definitely change, but the general structure will remain the same. So we'll start from there. We'll give it a friendly name. So let's just say Black Friday, 50% discount on all products. I'll spell Friday correctly. And the adjustment type we want, we've got three choices. Static, which is like a static value. You pick the exact price you want your product or selection of products to change to. A fixed price is a dynamic increase or decrease. So you can say subtract $10 from all products, so it's like a $10 discount. Or you can even go increase all products by $10. But for what we're doing, we're going to be doing a percentage increase or decrease for this one. So we'll type -50. And we'll be doing it on all products. So we'll just hit all products. Once you select that, this help banner populates at the bottom, just to give you an idea of how long the job will take for your store. We're going to be starting this job immediately, so we can ignore the start date. But for the end date, we'll choose the 30th of this month. And we'll end it at around midnight. You can choose any number of email addresses to receive a notification for when the job starts and when the job ends. So I'll just put this one. And some advanced options here, round up to the nearest 99 cents, accept whole amounts, just based on compare at price, or adjust to compare at price. This one is quite powerful and we will be using that, so I will select this. And we want to set our compare at price of the product before the discount is applied. So we'll select this one at the bottom, it's pre-selected. And we can just hit test rule as well, so just hit test it, just to give you an idea of what to expect before you actually save and schedule the job. So you just review your rule in this section, and if everything looks good, you'll hit save and schedule if you want to do it for the future, or we'll be starting this immediately, so we'll just hit start now. And once we do that, we're taken back to the home page. The job is starting soon. If we just hit refresh, we can see that it's already processed roughly 70 of the products in the store. It goes through them quite quickly. And we've got one product remaining. So for this one, what we can do, job is now active, what we can do is we'll just view our online store. This is just a test store that we've got. And let's just go to the catalog page. And you can see that for all of the products here, using Ancient River as an example, it was set to 50% off $10, which is $5, and the compare at price was set to $10. So it gives you that like sort of on sale effect, and that will apply across the entire store on all products, every single product in the store, including gift cards. Just open up a product page here, and we can see damp bush is $5. It was $5 and is now $2.50. So that looks good. And this is ending in 3 days, but for demonstration purposes, we'll just go ahead and end it right now. So we'll just hit revert. Please confirm your reversion of Black Friday 50% off discount on all products. Yep, looks good. Let's hit revert. And there's 102 products remaining. So it's just reverting the job back to what it was before we created it. Once again, it's quite quick, so just give it a second. Hit refresh a couple of times. And depending on how many stores have got different things running can affect this, but for the most part, it's pretty good. It is very, very reliable, the infrastructure behind it. So that's completed. If we go back to our store, and we know damp bush, it was $5, and we reduced it by 50% to $2.50. If we just refresh this page, and we can see it's gone back to $5, and there is no compare at price set for damp bush. So if we actually go to Shopify admin and find damp bush, we scroll down to the pricing, it's $5 with a compare price. It's set to null. So that is good. Everything works as it should. And that's pretty much it. So I'll be doing a few more videos in this style for very common scenarios that a lot of clients or stores look for. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.